Welcome back. In this tutorial, we'll dive into customizing colors and fonts on your website. Colors and typography represent your brand identity and influence how visitors feel on your site. Let's make your site visually striking and consistent. From your editor, click on Design. Open the color palette. Choose from preset color schemes or customize your own by entering hex codes. To do this, click Custom Palette. Choose your dark, light, accent, and color 2. Next, go to the Font section. Pick heading and body fonts from the built-in library. Adjust size, weight, and spacing for readability. Once done, click Save and return to Editor. Use the Preview tool to check how everything looks on desktop and mobile. Click Publish once you're satisfied, and that's it. You've successfully customized your colors and fonts. A well-styled website keeps visitors engaged and makes your brand memorable. Stay tuned, and let's keep building with HostAfrica.